Happy Wellness Day!
Powdered sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
Can I please get an espresso?
Good morning. It's the ripe time of 7:10 a.m. and I'm on my way to morning meditation. This takes place every morning from 7:15 till 7:45, I believe. And you basically just practice breathing and sitting in silence.
Hold that over if you like to make it a little higher.
If you ever come on semester C, bring your own honey. Also bring your own almond butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter.
He bought it for me as a birthday gift. I wanted him to have more time than this one.
Oh.
This one came from somewhere in Africa. What do you say? My country raw honey.
Ooh.
Also my birthday. My special gift from Good Town. Most of my school year is like
The shoe switch up for me. Good morning everyone and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Wellness Day, which basically means that we don't have classes. It is a ship-wide day where we just do everything for our health and our wellness. Yeah, it's gonna be a really chill day. I started off the morning by doing morning meditation at 7:15 and both of my feet literally fell asleep, but it was a great way to start the morning. And then I grabbed breakfast with my friends. We went around and had very interesting conversations. One of them was like, what does breathing crisp air, like what does it feel like? It was one of the most random conversations, but it was actually really descriptive and kind of funny. And then we also went around and said what top 3 songs felt like winter to us that weren't Christmas related. And I chose Escapism, Drama by Drake, and Low by SZA. Those are my 3 songs. I need to pick out an outfit for today. We are doing a 5K walk shipwide and that starts in about an hour. All right, this is today's 5K fit. This top is from Story Shorts. I actually got recently in Africa at Superdry and they are just the comfiest, softest little shorts. Okay, I ended up going with a skirt.
I'm just wearing an off-the-shoulder top with some Nike Pros.
Yes.
Just woke up. In South Africa, went grocery shopping and found this like peanut butter and honey combo.
Oh shoot.
It's great. It's fantastic. And then got these breakfast biscuits.
Breakfast
biscuits. And they taste exactly like Belvitas.
Ooh, okay, wait.
10 out of
Are they
10
milk and cookie flavored?
They are.
Okay, so fun fact, I have just a couple more Belvita snacks in my little snack stash. Actually, wait, I might be on my last one. It's literally crunched up. This is the best flavor. If you've never had the milk and cereal flavor, run, don't walk to your store and get them. We are reaching the end of our voyage pretty soon. Kate and I have been talking about it a lot recently. It's kind of been like the topic of conversation between everybody. And we're just soaking up the last moments because it's coming to an end. Would you say that it went by pretty fast?
It went by crazy fast. Like I literally feel like I just met you.
Oh my god. Comment down below if you guys remember us meeting. I like jumped on it.
Represent. Playing music. I listen to Bruno Mars. You know we got Michael Jackson up on the queue. You already know how we doing around here. Come on now. Semester C about to do Baltic.
Yeah! Thank you. Ryan, say hi!
Doing a walk for wellness. I thought it was for charity, but it's just for wellness. So
It should be for charity.
It should be for charity, but we're still just walking, and I'm feeling good.
Hi vlog, we've done 6 circles so far. It's very beautiful weather today and what's the UV? The UV is 13!
did that 5K walk. Also, for all my fellow Americans, because we do not use kilometers, 5K is 3 miles, and apparently they did the math calculations, and that was 17 laps around Lido Deck. We feel very accomplished. Katie girl is gonna go in the pool.
Hop in. It's gonna feel so good.
It is very hot. After South Africa, we are about to enter really hot territory, so yeah. Anyways, happy Wellness Day!
As for organizing it, we didn't expect that many people to show up for the 5K. So I did it for class. We're not gonna have I don't have class tomorrow. But we organized it because it was HES back home at CSU. We do a 5K at home. So we wanted to do it on the boat, but to teach it at home. So we just wanted to incorporate it on the boat and stuff like that, and kind of have the same kind of vibe as CSU. And it was a great turnout there. It was like 250 people came.
Fabulous turnout. And
Thank you guys for coming too. Thank you.
So for anyone that isn't aware, I was in the trenches yesterday with a gastroviral infection.
She didn't even let us know.
There was
like, how are we supposed to?
I couldn't even type on my phone. I was that down bad. There was a lot of running between the bed and the toilet, but today I'm a lot better, and now we're gonna go study in Berlin. We're going to my room first to get my laptop, but you know, all right. It's just me and the camera now. Oh, hey, it's Peter!
How's it going?
It's going great. I know all of Peter's secrets. I know what Peter did in Cape Town. I actually have no idea what he did in Cape Town. Hello.
I went to Woolworths for the first time when I was in South Africa, and I got these. Have you ever been to a Woolworths before?
Yeah, we had like one in Tanzania.
Dude, this is like the best thing ever. You gotta try one.
Can I try it? Oh my god.
Isn't that yum? It's like everything bagel seasoning. Here, have some more.
So good.
Uh-huh.
And it doesn't taste fake. Oh my god, this is so good.
Okay, I have a bunch of work that I need to do. I've been procrastinating. This is not a drill. So, see you guys when I finish one paragraph.
The bar is low.
The bar is
low.
Text if you care to listen. I find myself in a position. The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over, done decision. It's a heartbroken high heels, 6 inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I was so city or the rocks. I don't wanna fame alone on this night. I believe the dream.
This is the best day of the year.
So excited.
Who are you most excited to see perform?
I don't know if he's performing, but Perry.
I'm really excited to see Jeffrey, Renz, Harry, Rod. What's
I love Runs.
Wait, who's the one? Rocco? No.
Bravo.
Bravo! This is gonna be so good. This is way better than the actual students talent show. And Dean.
Really?
We love the
Such
staff.
a good day. I know.
Wellness Day should be every day. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're gonna go grab some sneets. We're gonna go grab some seats because yeah, they're filling up. Let's get a snack haul of the night.
So we have these lemon cream biscuits.
Ooh, are these from South Africa?
They are from South Africa.
Yum.
We have a Milka bar. Only our favorite brand.
Yeah, this is the best one. Unpopular opinion, it's better than Cadbury.
And then we have some
Hot
mint
take.
dark chocolate.
This is the best chocolate in the whole entire world. The Crew talent show just finished and oh my gosh, I was literally sobbing at the end. I just have so much love and gratitude for all of the people that continue to serve us on this ship. They did amazing and I think I feel a little baby kicking after that. They looked really good too. Anyways, that's the end of today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love you guys so, so much. Have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Ciao.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making a